Okay, guys. Got a little bit of a weird noise going on. Well, it's an 86 S10 2.8 V6. It sounds like when you used to ride a bicycle and you had a card in the spoke, and it's like when you drove. I thought a rod knock, but it's too light to be a rod knock. That's what I was thinking, the card trick on the bicycle. But I'll start it, and I'll see what you guys think. Now I know it's got a header leak on it, but I don't know if, and it's got two broken bolts. But I tighten that the best I can, and it doesn't sound like a header leak. See, it's weird. I'll see if I'll rev it from under here. I know it needs a clutch, so I'm thinking it's got to do something with the clutch, because I can feel it in the pedal, but like you'll see, now the clutch is out, and then if I push it in, it changes a little bit. And then I'm in first. Now I know that's just the RPM dropping, but I think it's related. I'm not 100% sure. Just give me suggestions, what you think. Eventually this is going to get a 4.8 in it, probably NA, but for now I'm just dailing it with the 2.8.